Good evening. My name is Jason Lee. I just wanted to go ahead and speak briefly about how to design your PowerPoint and to have it make sense. The first thing that you want to do, let's keep it simple and to the point. A lot of times with a lot of PowerPoint presentations, they do like to add on a lot of extra clutter, a lot of extra bullet points that is not really needed. And at that particular time period, once that happens, you begin to kind of lose the audience, and that is the last thing that we want to do. Another thing that can make your PowerPoint presentations work and pop is to make sure that they're very organized. So what you also want to do as well is write your ideas out. Make like an outline. You could write on a piece of paper. You could type it out on Microsoft Word. You could be more complex if you want to, and possibly even make a little small PowerPoint on how to do your outline. But make sure that you do write an outline. That helps you tremendously. And so, like I said, make out the outline, make out your notes. That helps. That would also make you seem more organized and also more businessy, as far as more professional when it comes to your presentation. Another thing that's very, very important is using visuals. You want to use visuals more than you want to use words and bullet points. Visual processing, as you can see right here, is what our brains are made of. We have a tendency to hang on and to remember things more vivid if it is through a whole visual way of pointing out in the presentation. Another thing that you also want to do is color capture. Color captures your attention a lot as the audience. So when you have big, bold colors that kind of shoot out at you, you always will remember that. And that is exactly what you need into your presentations. Also, learn to see empty space and allow your mind to visualize. So it kind of allows your audience to become the artist, as we can say. And that's really what you want. That makes them also become more in tune to your presentation. It makes them think and allows them to kind of be able to see what your vision may be, and then it kind of allows them to kind of make it into their own. So allow that space and just visualize, just think. In conclusion, when it comes to your presentations, like I said before, you don't want to add a whole lot of clutter to your presentations. Make your information precise and simple and straight to the point. If you go ahead and kind of add on more, saying more particular quotes and everything, a lot of times that's going to just fall to the wayside. The audience will become overwhelmed and they will become confused, and that's the last things that you want to do. So keep it simple. Thank you. Have a good night.